no money to do any business. I was not very educated also. So that was out of compulsion, you can say. When I started, trading was the only option because trading did not need any capital, any knowledge. So it was just like throwing the dart. So I started in that fashion only. I was throwing the dart in the market. Actually, it was very serious business for me. The trading was very serious business for me because it was bread and butter. It was my livelihood also. But finally, I realized that I'm making money in the market. So I started with say 100 shares, then went up to 1 lakh shares, went up to 4 lakh shares to make quick money, and I lost all the money. Without greed, nothing can happen.